Hello everyone, welcome to Heptabase. So what exactly is it? Basically, it's a note-taking tool for students, researchers and others. As you can see, it lets us create diagrams and mind maps with our notes. Below, they show features like whiteboards, mind maps, tables and Kanbans. So it offers various organizational formats. We can embed PDFs, videos, podcasts, calendars and notes. Multiple team members can work together, making it very convenient. It reminds me a lot of Miro. Let's check pricing. It starts at $11.12 per month for web access. So we can use it on the web, in our browser, and on mobile, right? It's compatible with various devices. Plus it has real-time syncing, YouTube transcripts, and more. Well, there's not that much to it, is there? They do offer unlimited notes and workspaces though. We can start our 7-day trial. Not sure if we need to enter account details. We'll see about that in a moment. Google account, obviously, but I mean payment info. Well, looks like they won't let us shame. It'd be nice to have a test run, wouldn't it? For these platforms, I think it's cool to test before using. Let's check out some reviews, see what people say about it. This person's been using Heptabase for 9 months, replacing Evernote. It's got 4.8 stars from 63 reviews on Product Hunt, right? You know, I usually focus on the negative reviews, don't you? I know it's a bit unfair, but that's what we're interested in, right? Is it a bad platform or not? Looking at the reviews briefly, honestly, it seems promising, eh? There's a 1-star review here complaining about some... Well, it's from a year ago, mind you. There's a few bugs. The app functionality doesn't seem to be a priority for the team. I mean, the mobile app. Many people keep mentioning functionality issues and they keep ignoring them. The team seems to be rushing to add collaboration, but the app still underperforms for individual users. Well, yeah, it doesn't work well for individual users. I repeat, this is from a year ago, okay? We're looking at 2 reviews out of 63. All others are 5 or 4 stars. Here's another person complaining about the rendering performance. We don't know what device they're using, so we can't say much. But if you have a good device, and considering most reviews are nearly 5 stars, I think we can be confident the tool will work well.